Hello, welcome to today's podcast. It's another day. We are going to learn new thing. We will be discussing about the organizational structure. We will see what does it mean, why it matters, and the different forms of organization structure, ranging from traditional model to modern and flexible ones used in today's organization. So, whether you're a student, a manager, or simply curious about how organizations are designed, this episode will give you a clear and a practical understanding. Before we look at the different forms, let us first understand what organizational structure means. Organizational structure refers to the systematic arrangement of people, roles, authority, and responsibilities within an organization in order to achieve its goals. In simple terms, organizational structure answers questions such as who reports to whom, who has the authority to make decisions, how are tasks divided and coordinated, how do people at different levels interact. It is essentially a framework of authority. It is essentially a framework of authority responsibility relationships among individuals and the groups working together in an organization. A well designed organizational structure promotes efficiency, coordination, accountability, and smooth communication. So, organizations adopt different structures depending on their size, nature of work, technology, and objectives. Let us now discuss the major forms of organizational structure. Let's start with line organization structure. The first and oldest form is the line organization structure. Line organization is the simplest and most traditional structure. It is also known as a military or hierarchical structure. In this structure, authority flows vertically from top to bottom, responsibility and accountability flows from bottom to top. Each employee has only one superior. Let's move to another one, which is a line and staff organization structure. This structure is an important over this structure is an improvement of a line organization. Here, line managers retain authority, but they are supported by staff specialists such as the technical experts, financial advisors, or research personnel. An important point to note is staff specialists only advise, line managers may or may not accept the advice, but authority still flows vertically. But expert support improves decision making. This structure is suitable for medium and large organizations, but not for small firms due to higher cost. Another type of organizational structure is a functional organizational structure. This structure was developed by this person called Frederick Winslow Taylor. In a functional organizational structure, authority is based on specialization, and also employees receive instructions from multiple functional experts, and there is a multiplicity of command instead of unity of command. For example, a worker may receive directions from both the production manager and the quality control manager. Here, functional authority is mandatory, unlike line and staff organization where advice is optional. This structure improves specialization but may cause confusion if coordination is weak. Another type of organization structure is this one, which is called the project organization structure. Project organization structure is a temporary structure created to complete a specific project. In this structure, specialists are drawn from different departments. A project manager has full authority. and the structure is dissolved after project completion. This structure is suitable for large and complex projects, projects with fixed time and cost limits, construction, IT firms, research firms, and development projects. Okay. Closely related to project organization is matrix organization structure. Matrix organization structure is another type of organization structure, but also this structure is also known as a grid structure. Matrix organization structure combines both functional organization and the project organization structure. So these two, functional and the project organization structure, makes matrix organization structure. Here, employees report to a functional manager and a project manager. This creates dual authority, which increases flexibility and the efficient use of resources, but also requires strong coordination and communication. Matrix structure is commonly used in aerospace industry, construction industry, advertising industry, hospitals industry, large research project industries. Another form of organization structure is committee organization structure. A committee is a group of two or more people appointed or nominated or elected to discuss, decide, recommend, report on specific matters. Committees may be permanent, can be advisory, can be executive, can be a coordinating. Committee organizations promote collective decision making and coordination, but may slow down decisions sometimes. Moving to the last one is this one, which is so-called the free-form or network-based organization. This structure is flat and decentralized. It is based on collaboration rather than hierarchy. It focused on teams, network, and partnership. This is a very modern and flexible approach organization structure. Key features of this structure is minimal hierarchy, flexible roles, decentralized decision making, strong use of technology, collaboration with external experts and partners. Free-form organizations are common in technology firms, startup, creative industries, consulting and research organizations. While this structure encourages innovation speed, it requires highly skilled employees and strong coordination mechanisms. So, to conclude this, organizational structure plays a critical role in determining how effectively an organization functions. There is no single best structure for all organizations. The choice of structure depends on organizational size, nature of activities, technology, and environmental conditions. Understanding these structures helps managers design organizations that are efficient, flexible, and responsive to change. Okay, thank you for listening to today's podcast. If you found this episode helpful, feel free to share it with others and stay tuned for more discussions on management and organizational concepts. Okay, until next time, goodbye and keep learning.